Well, can't fish here. This is where the fish are. Hey yo, welcome to Michigander Outdoors. Today, we're going salmon fishing. This is going to be a two-part series. First video, we are fishing on the Betsie. I will go through how we caught the fish that we did or that we didn't. Everyone you see on the internet, they're always right now asking, well, is it worth driving 4 hours or whatever? Like, the fish are in. Just throwing that out there. That doesn't mean, as you can see from this video, that's just going to be, it's not like fishing for silver bass. Let's just show you the footage and then I'll give you a recap at the end. See him? One right there.
Really?
Yeah. He's got a fish somewhere.
Right here.
Oh, he snagged him. Huh?
There's a fish right there. See him? You want to crack there? Get it in front of him. He's still in there. Oh, he's right there. I can catch him with my net. And we used to be able to fish. See where the white pole was? We used to be able to sit right where that white pole was, and we used to be able to fish right up through there.
They've been in there.
They opened it up last week and took almost 2,000 fish in.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. I fished it last weekend, and we got one good push of 200-300 fish, and I was gonna catch a couple. Nothing this weekend. I wouldn't go back until next. I mean, until after Wednesday.
I can't even go after Wednesday. I'm working.
Yeah, we're all booked now. Yeah, now that the fishing's gonna get good. I don't know. Your best bet's either probably be here or going Bestsie.
Tippy was every 2 feet was a guy.
That's what we were thinking.
But it'll open up. It'll open up in the afternoon. I want to get I want to get to the left set of stairs.
We were thinking about
camping there,
heading that way.
All right, I don't want to be responsible for losing it, so.
No, you just go down, chase it down.
Yeah, he's right. Yeah.
There's like 7 of them in there. See? Watch the hole. They go in the hole.
Where's he? Come on. Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, I thought I snapped him off.
There you go.
Awesome.
Hey, circus seats, man. That's a fresh fish.
Yeah.
Or a big male.
Yeah.
We'll get pictures real quick and hey, what do you think of spinner? I got another one.
Can I have it?
Yeah. I got one in my bag for you.
Yeah.
I already knew you I caught this one.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
Let's get a strainer on it. It's in the mouth.
Well, good job, man.
Snagged it.
First cast.
It usually happens sometimes.
Just walking our fish now. Oh, walking me into a hole.
No, this way. Get up in that pocket. Not real.
Huh?
There's a log out there that drops.
It's about to get deep.
Oh, right there. I'll just let you go a little farther ahead.
There's a hole right here, so you gotta go across. How old are you?
3.
You're 3? I got a 3-year-old too.
Oh, can I pet him?
I can't make it over there, buddy. It's really deep. Fish.
Oh.
Oh, he loved that one. He broke my hook.
Eh?
He broke a raven hook, dude. Hey, cast in front of that, cast it right up in that pocket and let it sweep down right through here. Because when you drift, see what happens when you drift? If I cast right here and I want to hit right there, I have to be a little farther past you to get that drift down in that hole where you got to see the fish. There you go. Reeling your slack a little bit, and you're going to sweep right into that other hole, that back side of that hole where them salmon are stacking up inside that brush pile. Right where?
Somewhere. I thought I didn't see him leave after there, so I think he's sitting in the shadows where you can see that water kind of moving.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, 2 of them.
2 of them. I said right now we need to be a tippy because the shadows doesn't affect them like they do here because this water's so shallow.
Oh. All right, so as you can see from the footage, there are fish. We got lots of fish in the river. That doesn't mean they're just jumping in your lap. You still got to know how to fish for them. I don't know if I said this earlier. This is my first time fishing for salmon, so I didn't know what I was doing. So we tried multiple ways. We tried with these guys, the Arctic spinners and the MEPS. That's what we were getting hits on. And again, they were hits. We weren't snagging, because I know a lot of people think anyone that does this, you're just snaggers, but they were right in the mouth. That's why we were losing them. Next video, I will show you my setup for bottom bouncing when we went out to Tippy. Anyway, it was fun. A lot of people. Be prepared for that if you've never gone before. I met father and son up there that have been going for 6 years in a row now, and they're still trying to catch their first fish. So I didn't catch this fish, but I at least netted it, so that was good. That was fun. You could tell from the way I netted it that I didn't know what I was doing. I was nervous that I was going to actually lose the fish. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, let me know what you want to hear in the next video. And then, again, if you haven't, subscribe because we got a lot of hunting coming up.